Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, here I go. This is my nerve-wracking experience with a chicken soup going into Sarah's class, handing out chocolates. I hope everybody on the internet enjoys. Leave it recording.
It's going to be all shaky though.
Ow! No.
You poked yourself in the eye with the chicken. You pecked your own eye out.
Oh.
Oh my God.
We have a visitor. Look, what's at the door? Look. Here. What is that? Is that a dog? No. Chicken. We're very quiet for a chicken.
The chicken has presents for everyone. Sarah, you can come help hand out the presents.
Would you like to get sour cookie? No, you don't want one, Denise?
You gotta give one to everyone.
No, Dominic? Yes? Don't open those, so hold them there, and you guys can put them in your bags after. You guys have lots of seats for okay? So one full table spot here, and you guys can go put it in your bag. Or you know what? I'll get this one, and come and grab them and put them in your bag. What do you guys say? You want this? Not me. Not me. What do you guys say? Sarah and the chicken. Thank you, Sarah. Patrick, would you like chips? Yes, you do. Who's under there? Savannah, do you want a treat of your own?
I know. That's what. I was thinking a bunny costume.
Yeah, because we were talking about this morning. She said, you should come to the Easter party. You can get like little plastic eggs, you put chocolate in it and hide them.
That'd be fun. This is Max, right? Max, that's Max, right? Is it Max? Sarah, you have to give one to Max. Don't forget Max and don't forget Shea.
And one for Shea.
If you're hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does everybody have one?
You can, what?
Does everybody have one?
I think so.
Eating, Mommy.
Thank you. Oh, thanks. All right. Sarah, say good. Oh, there's Sean. Give one to Sean. Sarah, come give one to Sean. And Dominic. And then say goodbye to the chicken. Bye-bye, chicken. Bye, chicken.
Dominic and Sean.
Oh, okay, I have to come back and help Sarah give out to the teachers. Bye, chicken. Okay. I'm going, I'm turning it off.